Hello, this is the Wise Owl 2 coming at you from the sea where I live. I'm making another video on simplifying and all the usage of chemical symbols and atomic numbers of the periodic table of elements. These are really for the beginner, but if you advance and already know a lot about the chemical elements and chemical symbols and stuff like that, you may want to go back to the beginning. Just to have a better idea. Maybe you want to teach a class and you want to simplify it for your students or something like that, or whatever. But let's just to let you know that there's ways to remember the periodic table of elements and the chemical symbols. This is for beginners, really. Let's begin with this box in front of us. We have to hear the box of crackers, Clubhouse crackers. Now I want you to pay attention in this video to the B and the H. The B and the H in the word Clubhouse. It's important that you understand the BH, okay? Let's continue from here, down here. I rewrote the word Clubhouse, okay? Now, Clubhouse, you can break it down in the beginning with a capital C, take a small L and make a capital L and a small U. Then take a small b, and put a capital B, and take the H, capital H from a house, and put a small h after the B. Then you got the capital O, capital U, and you got a capital S, and a small e right here for house. Now let me clarify it for you. We got the capital B, we got a small b here. But if we capitalize the B and make the H small, we got capital BH, the chemical symbol. And the chemical symbol, capital BH, is for borium. Capital BOHRIUM. This is very important for you to know this, because you may, while remembering the chemical symbols, you may skip this, or you may not put this to mind. And if you have a quiz or you're taking a test, whatever, you may get this, you never know, or not. You never know, but it's good to know these. It's good to say your chemical symbol, regardless whether you go to school or not, to know it from off your head. Well, the BH from Clubhouse, capital B, small h. Now, we got a capital C for carbon, capital CARBON. We got the capital, we took the small L, and we get capital L, and we take a small U. Capital L, small u for Lutetium, which is capital L and a small u for Lutetium, capital LUTETIUM. Then we got capital B and the H for Bhorium, which is capital BOHRIUM. Then we got the O from house, capital O, oxygen, OXYGEN. We got capital U from house, which is uranium, which is capital URANIUM. Then we got capital S and a small c for selenium. Okay, you see how it works out? See here? You got it right there. BH for borium, and right here, Clubhouse. Now, Clubhouse can be rewritten. We can break it down again to make it simple. We can take the CLU and break it down to capital C and a small l for chlorine. Capital C, HLORINE. Then we got the capital U for uranium, capital URANIUM. We got capital B for boron, which is capital BORON. And we got capital H for a capital H and a small O. Capital H small for holmium, which is capital HOLMIUM. Okay? Or you can break this down again to capital H and a capital O for hydrogen and oxygen. But I just have to keep the capital H and small O for holmium. Then you got capital U again for uranium, capital URANIUM. Then you got capital S and small e for selenium. Selenium, which is capital SELENIUM. See how it works? How you can break it down? And then we got crackers. We got capital CR for chromium, capital CHROMIUM. We got capital AC for the chemical symbol AC for the element's name of Actinium, which is capital ACTINIUM. actinium, okay? And then we got capital K for potassium, which is capital Potassium. Capital ER for erbium, which is capital Erbium. And capital S for sulfur, which is capital Sulfur. Or we can break the crackers down again. To simplify it again, we can get capital C for carbon, capital Ra for radium, which is capital C for carbon, capital Carbon, radium, capital Radium. We got capital K for potassium. Well, we got, well, let's do it again. Capital C for carbon, capital Ra for radium, capital C for carbon again, capital Carbon. Then we got K for potassium, capital Potassium. We got capital ER for erbium, capital Erbium, and capital S for sulfur, capital Sulfur. So if next time you see a box of Clubhouse crackers, you can break it down to chemical symbols in more than one way, and this will be good for you to memorize everything. Just point to it. Point to the chemical symbols and say it in your head, and you'll learn about it all. I might put this down in I think I will, in the description box below, just to make sure it's there. All right, this is the Wise Owl 2 coming at you from the Sea Where I Live, over and out.